main menu for your RoofScope account is found right here. You'll see my scopes, my details, and my payments. Ordering a report is as easy as dropping an address here into the search field, then clicking Search Address. The map will bring up the image of the property. You can also add an additional structure here if there are multiple structures on the property requiring measurements. If this is indeed the property, you'll click Confirm Location, but you can also zoom in or out to get a better view of the property and the structure. Clicking Confirm Location takes you to the property type selection: residential, multifamily, commercial, or other. Clicking Next takes you to the report selector. You select Roof Scope or Siding Scope. You can select multiple reports from this page. Here we'll just select the standard Roof Scope. Clicking here shows the review order page where you can also make adjustments to the label of the report if needed. You can also add additional notes for our CAD technicians, upload images or sitemaps of the property, and CC specific recipients who may also want to receive the report. Once all that information is entered, you're going to click Add to Cart. Here's where you will review your order prior to clicking Proceed to Checkout to complete the process. The My Scopes page here is where all of your reports will live, chronologically with the most recent on top. You can see the property address here, download the report, view the details, and you can also download a receipt, the DXF and CSV files, and the Pro Data Sheet. My Details page is where your account information will be, such as the account email, password, contact information, as well as third-party integration tokens and team members. If you do need to make any changes to any of these, you can clip this pencil here to revise a password or contact information as needed. Going back here, we'll take you to the My Payments page. This is where you'll have your account balance if you're on a prepaid deposit. You can add a credit card for pay per scope or enter into any of our monthly membership options, whichever suits you and your business the best. Clicking here or here takes you back to the home screen to start a new order. Here's a sample of our residential roof scope report. Page 1 shows the project totals, the total roof area, roof information such as slopes and pitches, the number of roof planes, number of structures on the report, as well as information on the different components of the roof. We do ridge, hip, valley, eaves, rakes, parapets when applicable, as well as a waste factor of 4 to 15% on each report. Page 2 of the roof scope is where you get the detail about the property. Each plane is broken down by square footage, pitch, calling out whether or not it's a steep slope or flat slope, high roof section, and the ice and water barrier recommendations by square footage. There's also a drawing key at the bottom of the page, color-coded, so you can see that red means eave lines, blue hip lines, orange are ridge lines, and so on. This concludes our overview of how to place your orders and the information provided in our RoofScope reports. For more information, visit our website at roofscope.com or call us at 1-877-697-2637. Thank you.